How do you feel, Zada? You're not even sweating. She's not even sweating. Tell us your optimal diet type.
Optimal diet type. Over 30 seconds, maybe?
Wow. What's the easiest healthy recipe you can cook?
The healthiest. I want to say instant noodles.
That's not healthy.
I forgot it. What is it?
Now it's time for Speak or Sprint, where I'm going to ask her a series of rapid-fire questions, and if she can't answer, we're going to increase the speed. Ready? What's your favorite thing about Muay Thai?
Sidekick?
Are you a morning lark or night owl?
Night owl.
Spell CircleDNA without stopping. Go.
CircleDNA.
Was that correct?
I think so.
Describe yourself in 5 words.
5 words. Happy, optimistic, energetic.
Okay, you're too slow. What's the worst health advice you've ever received?
Drink more alcohol.
What? Last person you went to dinner with? Too slow. What do you do when you're stressed out of your mind?
Yoga.
Tell us your favorite workout music.
Workout music.
Tell us your 3 health goals this summer.
Sleep more, eat healthier, and speak more, talk more.
Do you ever post inspirational quotes on social media?
Yeah.
Tell us your optimal diet type.
Optimal diet type. Oh,
it was Mediterranean.
Oh, you're right.
What's your least favorite fruit?
Kiwi.
What's your biggest fear in life?
Ghost.
Tell us your favorite cheat meal.
Milkshake.
She really likes milkshakes. Which celebrity has your dream body?
Dream body.
Okay, what's your horoscope? Who? What's your horoscope sign?
I forgot it. What is it?
What advice would you give 16-year-old Zada?
Just sleep more.
Make a high-pitched sound. Who is your childhood superhero?
Spider-Man.
What are you having for dinner tonight?
I don't know.
What are you most proud of?
I am a waterpolo player.
Kayaking or surfing?
Kayaking.
Would you rather live in a scorching hot desert or freezing Arctic town for the rest of your life?
Desert.
What was the last message you received?
I don't know.
Tell us your favorite cuisine.
Japanese.
What store do you shop at the most?
Zara.
How long can you hold your breath underwater?
I think 30 seconds, maybe?
Wow. What's the easiest healthy recipe you can cook?
The healthiest. I want to say instant noodles.
That's not healthy. Tell us your optimal fitness type.
I forgot.
Would you rather swim to work or sprint to work?
Swim.
If you could go anywhere in the world, where would you go?
Australia.
Tell us your favorite health advice.
Sleep more.
Good job!
Oh, yes.
How do you feel, Zada? You're not even sweating. She's not even sweating.
I feel good, but like when I do an exercise, actually my reaction is so slow.
Yeah.
To answer the question.
Good job.
Thank you. Yay.
Thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode with the lovely Zada Yeung.
Thank you guys.
Stay healthy.
Stay healthy and sleep more.